What to do when a man pulls away from you because there's things that's happening in his life. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sindy V King. I am a creator of Calling in My King. I help transform women to create lasting love through Vedic astrology, neuroscience, transactional analysis so that she becomes the queen of love. Have you ever been in a situation where things are going great, but he starts to pull away from out of the blue and there was some sort of hint that things are happening in his life? And he's not ready to talk about this. This could be a work situation, and trust me, you don't want to be his business coach. And it could be a family situation, and somebody could be dying, and you don't want to be a grieving counselor either. And if he's a little bit hurt and injured or sort of recovering from a sport injury, you definitely don't need to mother him unless he's bleeding or dying in that sort of case, but none of it's ever true. And we are emotionally triggered and we can be so easily lovesick. These are examples that are outside of your relationship. There are moments when your man can't be there for you 100% of the time and you desperately need it. So here's the thing. It is so important to create a nurturing manual. For who? For yourself, of course. And it's all about mothering yourself and then turn your hurt feelings into something positive for your body. You can always talk to like your girlfriend. You can always do things that you're in part of your bucket list that you created probably throughout the years. You can go and do those things. And you can definitely have platonic man funnel as well. When you're emotionally triggered, it's so important to really understand where this is coming from and be able to mother you. Unless there is something that you're in danger, that you're helplessly needing help, just remember like our other relationship, we have weeks on and weeks off, and that's absolutely totally normal. Your BFF needs time off too. Your mom and dad, your brothers, your other friends, your coworker needs time off as well. So it's absolutely normal to have this situation happen to you, and it's part of life. So when this actually happens, you are 100% responsible for you, and you have 100% focus on you now. Once you move through these triggers and the feelings of pain and behind you, and now you're ready to connect and you're so happy and excited. Like every rainstorm, we kind of expected it to actually happen. Do you guys agree? But we were gonna take cover, keep ourselves warm, and when it clears out, we are in the space, adventure, and ready to play. And obviously when he comes back, don't bite his head off. It's not needed. You don't need to chop his balls off. And your balls don't need to be hanging out. You can invert those into ovaries and back to what really feels great for you. Just know that you are enough and you are worthy of love. So I hope this has helped you. So excited to let you know that I have created a program to help you to feel engaged and understand how to move these emotions so that you're not playing game, you're not dealing with drama, and you're not trash talking him as your partner, and you're potentially your husband material while he's kind of on his downtime. So I want you to go ahead, book a call down below. I have a great coaching program so that I can teach you exactly what to do with these emotions step by step. So it takes the thinking out from you. So I really hope this video has helped you and gives you a little insight of what I do. I'm so excited to be working with you, and like I said, links below. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys next week. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you ever have been in a situation where you feel abandoned, you feel like he's pulling away, you don't understand why it's happening, and none of it's really ever true, and he was just going through life. That's just part of life. So that being said, I'll see you guys next week. Bye now. Look, if you're serious about being fearless in love and ready to be treated like a queen, links is down below to book a time. I got over 100 videos on YouTube and I post new videos every week. So make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You get notified when new videos goes live. If your friend is actually stuck in love, share and like my video. I do take requests on topics and answer your burning question about your relationship. So just leave a comment down below. Otherwise, see you in the next video.